guys, Dave with Expedition Georgia. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to take a look at this 1971 Chevrolet C10. This 1971 Chevy C10 was originally built at the Lakewood GM plant in Atlanta, Georgia, and it was sold new at a Chevy dealership in Blairsville, Georgia. This is a two-owner vehicle that was purchased 5 years ago with 59,000 original miles. This is the original LS9 350 V8 motor. The motor has been completely rebuilt with upgraded heads, cam, headers, and heavy-duty fans. The only missing part from the original drivetrain is the 3-on-the-tree transmission, which was replaced with the 700 R4. You can see some heavy-duty Ringbrothers hinges were added for more support. Originally built to be a pro touring truck, the suspension in this vehicle has been completely overhauled. The 20-inch rally replica wheels are wrapped in 245s in the front and 275s out back. The 4.6 drop and the heavy-duty sway bars make this truck drive like it's on rails. As you can see, every piece of chrome and trim is brand new. The owner has also replaced every piece of glass. Let's take a look inside. Technically, this vehicle has been out of Georgia one time. It was shipped to Ultimate Audio in Lexington, South Carolina to handle the interior. Ultimate Audio outfitted this truck with a complete sound system including subwoofers, mid-range in the kick panel, and a Kenwood head unit. Originally, the gas tank would have been between the bed and the cab and you would fill your gas here. Now, the gas tank has been relocated underneath the bed and you fill your gas right here at the base of the wheel well. When the vehicle was purchased, it had a flat black paint job. When we went underneath that layer, we found it was originally orange, and we confirmed that with the build sheet. This 1971 Chevy C10 is available for sale with an asking price of $35,000, which is a fraction of what is invested in it.